Hello, babe. I just got home. Stop, John. I just left your house. Don't miss me too much. Don't worry. I'm going to come tomorrow. Yes. I love the way you gave it to me. Yes. I'm not sure he's at home. I don't think he's at home. But we'll check later. Yeah? That's not a problem now. You know how we do it. Oh, take care of yourself. Just be fine. I will meet you tomorrow. We're still going to meet. Hello, babe. I'll call you later, okay? One more thing. Hello? Yes. I forgot my pants and my wig at your house. So please keep it safe for me. If I call tomorrow, I'll collect it, eh? Alright. There's no problem. Alright, bye-bye. Love you.
Where are you coming from? Come here.
Babe.
Where are you coming from?
I went to hang my clothes.
You want to do what?
Hang my clothes.
You want to hang your clothes?
Yes.
Jen.
Yes, sir.
Jen.
Baby.
I said, where are you coming from?
I just told you I went to hang my clothes. I went to spread my clothes.
You want to spread your clothes?
Yes, baby.
You want to spread your clothes, right?
No, I went to outside to just spread it. Nothing else.
You went outside to spread your clothes?
Yes, baby.
Where are the clothes?
I just spread them now.
Like this now that you are? Huh? Yes, is it like this that you are?
What is wrong with how I'm looking? Is it not to spread clothes? Baby, there's nothing much now. I just spread the clothes.
Okay. You just want to spread the clothes.
Yes.
I accept that you want to spread the clothes. Eh? So where did you say you forgot your pants?
Huh? My cleaner. Yes.
So you did not want to spread the clothes again?
I took the clothes to the dry cleaner so that he can wash it, but I forgot my own disc inside it. So I was calling him to keep it for me so that tomorrow I'll come and pick it. Yes.
Wow, nice one. This is fantastic.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, now, since when did the dry cleaner start washing your pants? I mean your undies.
I didn't ask him to wash it. I said he should keep it. I'm coming to take it. Yes.
Can you listen to yourself? Okay, you took your undies to the dry cleaner. Eh?
It was a mistake.
It was a mistake.
I packed it with my clothes, so the undies now.
Keep quiet. You are so callous and senseless. You think I wasn't standing at your back, hearing all the jargon that was coming out from your mouth, and you are vomiting from your mouth?
Baby, it's not what you think of.
Jane,
I'm sorry.
just tell me, like, I want to understand. Where have I gone wrong? You've been married for the past 10 years. I never cheated on you, have I? No, answer me. Was there any day that I cheated on you?
No.
Good. Then what did I do to deserve this? Eh? What did I do for you to cheat on me this way? You are even telling him how he was giving it to you, how you will be missing him, and you will be thinking about him for the day. Eh?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's the devil's work. Okay. It's the devil. I was on my own. The devil now came.
The devil now came. Devil's work.
I'm so
wicked. Considering the fact that I go out there, I struggle, I work hard to look out for you, my wife. And all you could do is to pay me back with immorality, right? This is all you could do to pay me back. Now, did I actually deserve this? You are so wicked. Honestly, you are very wicked.
I'm sorry.
But it's okay. It's alright. Wait. You know what you are going to do for me now? The way you wore this cloth now, when you walked in, I want you to remove it. Yes, I want you to remove the cloth and go out and come in again. I want to observe that thing you did again. So remove the cloth. Only remove the cloth now. There's no time. Remove the cloth so that you can go out and come in again.
It's not like that, though. It's not like that.
Only I know, I've heard you now. I have heard you. There's no problem. Just remove the clothes, go outside, and come in again.
Hey.
Then we can talk.
It's not gotten to that, though.
It has not gotten to anything. I understand. Just remove the clothes. Is it too big to do again? Remove the clothes. Good. Oh yeah, now carry your bag now. That's something you did.
Only wait.
Wasting
It's
time.
not like that.
You will come back in now. This is your phone.
I said I'm sorry now.
No problem. I've heard you. Like, go out. Come. Go out.
Only wait.
Honey, we will talk.
See, let me tell you something. I'm not like this, so remember, I'm not like this. It's the devil, like I said.
Honey, it's okay. I've heard you.
Let's settle it.
We will settle now. Is it not me that is here again?
I don't want to act again.
No, the acting was sweet. I just want to know how it tastes again. Just go out and come in. Then we'll sit down and talk now, honey.
I don't want to act again.
Honey, go. Come, just come.
Honey, will I still come in?
Now, just like you did the first time now. You go come in, wear the cloth and sit down. Then we'll solve this thing amicably.
I'll go.
Now. Yes, now, like I said earlier. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
Are you sure?
Don't come back here again, no. It is over between us. Tell your daddy that I'm coming to collect my bride price. Go! I don't want to see you here again. Don't come back here again. This is how it should be. How can a woman cheat? Well, it's only men that can cheat. A woman is not supposed to cheat. Sharpshooter.